Results.
Good Monday afternoon. Thanks for joining us. I'm Karen Greer. Right now, a federal judge is considering arguments as to whether he should temporarily halt the start of Georgia's controversial new abortion law. Now, the law prevents a woman from seeking an abortion once a fetal heartbeat is detected. That's about the 6th week of pregnancy. Let's get right to CBS 46's Rebekka Schramm. She just stepped out of the federal building and joins us with the latest in Atlanta. Rebekka, good afternoon.
Hi, Karen. Well, as you know, this new law was supposed to take effect January 1st. Well, the people suing the state say that it's going to take a lot longer than that to settle this lawsuit. So they are asking a judge to put a temporary halt to the start of this new law.
This is what democracy looks like.
From day one, the people who crafted Georgia's heartbeat law knew there would be protests.
Abortion is a human right.
They knew there would be legal challenges.
We are eagerly hoping that the judge will act before January.
Which was really the point, to try to get the case before the U.S. Supreme Court, which is now made up of a majority of conservative-leaning justices. Georgia is one of several Republican-run states that passed strict abortion laws this year, basically in an attempt to get the court to overturn Roe v. Wade and outlaw most abortions in this country. Georgia's new law is known as the heartbeat law because it bans virtually all abortions after a heartbeat is detected in the womb, which is generally around the 6th week of pregnancy. Our state got its legal challenge all right with a lawsuit by the ACLU of Georgia. Democrats who voted against the measure support the plaintiffs.
Republicans have started a war with women in this state and in this country, and it is a war that we will finish. We will not go back.
The Georgia Republicans passed an unconstitutional bill. This court behind us, because it is so clear it's unconstitutional, should stay this today. We expect them to stay this today.
Now, an attorney for the state of Georgia argued in the court hearing, which wrapped up just a few minutes ago, that the new law will withstand judicial scrutiny. As for when the judge will announce whether he will delay the start of the new abortion law, he will let us know in the days ahead. We're live in Atlanta. Rebekka Schramm, CBS 46 News.
All right, Rebekka.